a warm welcome to all of you at AriserTalent. How are you all? I hope you are doing absolutely good. So today we are going to discuss about some of the NTSE level questions that are from your stage 2 from our chapter, that is structure of atom, and this is our 9th class chapter. So let's start with the questions here. First question in this series we have: how many subatomic particles are present in an alpha particle used in Rutherford's scattering experiment? And you have to provided a list of number of protons, neutrons and electrons. So firstly, you have to keep in mind that alpha particle is basically a helium nuclei. अल्फा पार्टिकल जो होता है वो हमारे पास हीलियम न्यूक्लियाई होता है, और हीलियम न्यूक्लियाई के लिए हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2He4. इट मीन्स इस न्यूक्लियाई में नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स कितने होंगे? नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स विल बी डिटरमाइंड बाय द एटॉमिक नंबर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2. एटॉमिक मास कितना होगा? 4. एटॉमिक मास और मास नंबर will be 4. Now you have to calculate the number of neutrons. So the number of neutrons can be calculated by atomic mass minus atomic number. So atomic mass is 4, atomic number is 2. So the number of neutron came out to be 2. So we can say that in this helium nuclei we have proton equal to 2, neutron equal to 2, and we have electron equal to 0 because we do not have any electron present here. So let's check what the question is saying. You have to identify the correct statement from this. Number of protons 4, neutrons 0, number of electrons 0. So this will be our wrong explanation. 202, again this is wrong explanation. Protons 2, neutrons 2 and electrons 0. Proton 2, electron 2, electron 0 and the neutrons 2. So this is our correct explanation. So I can say that in the alpha scattering experiment, when you are using the helium nuclei, the option number C will be, third part will be correct here. So you can copy this solution from here. Now let's move to the next question in this sequence we have. Again we have the question given, that is reason assertion type. So what assertion is saying? Aluminium foil cannot be used in the alpha scattering experiment. So we know that we are using a very thin gold foil in the alpha scattering experiment. So the assertion is aluminium foil cannot be used in the alpha scattering experiment. So this statement is true. Aluminium highly malleable metal. Aluminium is highly malleable metal. So this statement is again true because highly malleable, that's why it is used for making the aluminium foils. Malleability is the property of an element in which it can be converted into a very thin sheets. So this is the property, that is malleability aluminium have. So I can say that both the statements are correct here. But you can find that these two statements are correct, that aluminium foil cannot be used in alpha scattering experiment and aluminium is a highly malleable metal. But this reason is not a correct reason for this assertion because malleability do not have any link with the alpha scattering experiment. So let us check the options here. Both A and R are correct, but R is the correct for A. This is wrong. Both A and R are correct, but R is not the correct reason for A. This statement is true. A is correct, R is incorrect. Again this is false. A is correct and R is correct. So this is again a true statement, but we have to compare these two statements. So we can say that it is not the correct explanation for the first one. So which option is correct here? I can say that option number 2 will be correct here. So this is a reason assertion type question, that is from the chapter structure of atom. So these questions are over for today. We will deal with many more questions in our next lecture. Thank you so much and have a nice day.